This 2023 Winnebago Navion 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Springfield, Missouri 65802 and is offered for sale by Reliable RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2023 Winnebago Navion 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.